there you are. I'm starved. This looks so good.
We done been over this, Miss Celia. You supposed to eat in the dining room. That's how it works. Yeah, let me take the plate back.
No, I'm fine right here, Minnie.
What?
I just want you to know I'm real grateful you're here.
You guys plenty more to be grateful for than me. And look, now I ain't messing around no more. Now, Mr. Johnny gonna catch me here and shoot me dead right here on this no-wax floor. You guys to tell him. Ain't he wondering how to cooking so good?
You're right. We ought to burn the chicken a little.
Minnie don't burn chicken.